Hello, hello. Hope everyone's doing well. The excellent tunes of the Celeste soundtracks. Such a good game. Highly recommend if you have not played. Probably my favorite platformer of all time, I would have to say. Celeste is definitely up there. It's so good. So good. Hopefully everyone's having a good week so far. I can't believe it's Thursday already. It's crazy. It feels like time has flown by this week. Let me get to the screen that I should be on, which is this scene somewhere. Hold on. Not that scene. This scene. Nope, not that one. All of my scenes are messed up because I made a duplicate collection for the charity stream, and then I kind of didn't turn it, like, switch back, so awkward. I need to clean this up. Where is the thingy that I'm supposed to be using? Tana, hello. How's it going? How are you doing?
Hey, wake up.
This'll do. How are you doing today? I made tea right before I started, so I should be good for today's stream. I kind of started a bit on time today. It's 9:30 here. Oh, whoops. We are just jumping straight in today. I'm gonna make this like 1 bigger, I think. Right, be good. Oh no, oh. Bruh. I think I done goofed. Wait. Let me switch to this scene. I think I've messed up. I don't think I signed out of my work account. Can I do that from here? I don't think I can. But if I lock my PC, is that going to stop the stream? I feel like it isn't. Let me try it real quick, and then if it ends the stream, then I guess I kind of just oofed. Hold on. Good, okay. I better do this sooner than rather than later, so... Oh. It's still going. It didn't stop. So I'm gonna just call that a success. I don't think I got logged out. Let me try this port thing again. Hey, it worked. Okay, nice. So basically I made this site as a kind of a bit of a joke, but now it's kind of actually like I kind of want to keep it going. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna try and implement saving scores, and then I think that should be good. I just need to add, oh, I need to add something to do with the rounding, so... Oh, I made a mini to-do list, so maybe we can look at that as well. Yes, yes. Base. Oh. This is actually working now. Interesting. I didn't know. I'm gonna make this medium at smaller, and then at large, or sorry, XL. Or, well, actually, I wonder if I should do medium, make that large, and then XL can be 2XL. So basically, at smaller, you can just see there that the rounding changed. So at the widest type, this is like rounded on the sides, you can see. And then when I push this in, it doesn't get as rounded because it's obviously smaller, so it kind of doesn't make sense to do that. Okay. I'm also thinking this is slightly low. That's that. What is my to-do list? Alphabetically sort. Okay, that's what we need to do. Alphabetically sort search results. So when you click start and you get the random clip, you can type in things to search. And I'm wondering, oh, should I pin this to the bottom? Actually, that might be interesting. I need to sort these by alphabetized, because I think right now they sort by view count. So this is actually, because the original, actually no, the original list is not in, it's just a random order. So these are actually just in a random order right now. We need to sort those out. And then we should be Gucci. Alright, so we have filtered. All I should need to do is go unique. And then we just return unique sort. I think it's enough to just do sort, because it should just, let's see. What was, oh no, because it would actually, never mind. Let's do A, B, A. I don't know if A minus. Oh, yeah, because they're objects. That makes sense. We actually need to sort by title. Ah, and it needs to return a number. So this thing is actually incorrect because it says you can just minus like this. But oh, actually no, because these are numbers. Gotcha. So for titles, it doesn't really work. I think you can do this and then this or this. So this has actually sorted it now. And if I do Pix, so let's put that at the top. Oh, capitals are worth more than, okay, so we actually need to do 2 lowercase to make them all the same. Then that way the lowercase p's are the same. Oh yeah, okay, that makes more sense. Mix. Oh, there wasn't a BW. Yep. Those 2 titles are okay. These ones all look okay. I think it works now. Nice. Alright, the next thing, add search icon to text box. Okay, that's pretty easy, I think. We should just be able to do a left element input. Oh, yeah, input left element. Let's not move any of that yet. We don't need anything to happen on click. We just need this to be FA search. Oh, I might actually make the opacity slightly smaller. Okay, now we need to actually move it into position. 1, left 3, or left 1. Not much. 0.5. And then opacity 0.3. Maybe the size is actually a bit much. Make it 16. Good enough. I only made this one slightly bigger because it's a button, so you have to be able to click it. Maybe this doesn't actually need to be 0. Maybe we can actually get rid of these. No, actually we can't. We need left to be... We need this to be 0.5 maybe? Actually, I think 1 was fine. Okay. It looks fine, I think. Can't tell. But I don't want to push it down too far. Yeah, 1 is actually fine. Cool. Now I just need to do something. What was the other thing that I had to do? Move search above text box. Okay, so I think I should put these this all the way at the bottom. Just like at the bottom of the thing. Can we do that? I don't know. Oh, this is using margin top. So empty looks like 8. Empty. No, it's not. What's happening here? Where is this? Oh, no. Oh, okay. This is just part of the stack because everything is... I see. Everything is... This is one V stack. Yeah, there you go. Spacing 8. So, for example, if I made this spacing 16, these would all be spaced out slightly more. Gotcha. What I need to do is not do that. Oh, this is... I need this. But this is what I need to change. I want to do this. This is the stack. I wonder if I can just do empty auto. No. This is the right one? Red. Oh, it's not. Oh, no. This is all, this is inside this stack. Because it's like when it's ready. So I can do empty auto here, I think. Oh, still no. In that case... I think I make this a box, and then I space between V stack justify content space between. Oh, I didn't like that. Oops. I wonder if it's because of that spacing. Space between. This is a VStack. This should be a flex though. So why is this not flexing? Oh, hold on. Height, 100%. There we go. Now it's attached to the bottom. Alti, hello! And Deadman, welcome in. How are you both? It's good to see you. How you doing? I feel like this should not be that close to the bottom. So let me do... Ooh, hold on. Where was I just? Oh, I was just here. Okay. MT. Oh, sorry. MB. 8. Nope, that was the wrong one. Is it not that? Oh, it's. I can do PB. Okay. There you go. Now it's not all the way at the bottom. Thank you for the quack. Currently good? Good. That's what we like to hear. Actually, oh, I'm gonna put PT on this. I'm gonna make this 12. Oh, I didn't want to do that. Maybe this instead. Luck, please don't hate me for lurking. I love you. It's the fight what I said. Lurks are 100% fine. You're good. Thank you for the luck. And the quack in the moon also. You're all good. Thank you. You know what I just realized? I think I can do this. I can do PY12 and it should be the same thing. Would you look at that? So if I did 8, those would go further apart, but I can put them together a bit closer and do 12. Hey, look at that. Okay, now what we need to do is put the search results above. So right now the search results go below, but I think I can just move it above this. And then that way we shouldn't get this page doing this. Because right now when you search, the page goes down, right? Like this. So I should just make the search results appear above it. Yes. Wonder if I should put the lives underneath there, or if I should keep them to the side. I think keeping them to the side is fine. I'm also going to see if I can add a PT to that stack. Hold on. Just to take, just so it doesn't go all the way up against it. Maybe I'll do 4. There we go. Nice. What I need to do next is have the search results appear underneath it. So oh, sorry, above it. Oh god. It gets like ridiculously far away when I do that. There's a giant gap. But maybe that's fine. I don't know. I don't know anymore. Let's do... How do I want to do this? Search results are here. Oh my gosh, look at this styling. Bruh. Need to sort this out a bit. What I need to do is have the bottom be 12. Maybe not 12, 0? Oh no, it's 12. Oh, so this would be 24. Or not 24, 16? I'll be above it. Oh, there we go. Nice. So there should be a maximum of 5, and then the rest scroll. And I might make this slightly more rounded just for the heck of it, because why not? I can do this, and then search, and then click it, and delete it. Nice. It's getting there. Sorry for that advert. But basically I just switched the top to the bottom property, and then I made it 12. I switched it from 12 to 16. So that's basically 12 is right here, and then plus the extra 4 is this little gap here. So that's what we wanted. So if I do skip, that depixelates a bit. And then you can see that this was skipped. And then you can try the other submissions. This failed. I wonder if I should put the tooltips above, because everything is, I mean, oh, also, why is this not centered? Yo, what? This is the one under the video. So this stack items, I like item center. Did that fix it? I don't think it did. Hold on. I don't like how small this gets. Wait. Oh, okay, we'll come back to that. That width. I need to try and work out this bit. This looks like this is centering. This is not. And then I already did... Oh, I didn't. I thought that was this stack. Hold on. Let me try moving this to here. I'm confused as to where this stack is. Let me try actually just doing it on the thing. So it was this, and then I did line item center. Yeah, that didn't work. There's something else going on, which I think might be to do with this. Here we go. If I did margin top 0, that brings that in line with this. And then this is out of line from something else. This. Oh, it's a stack. Yeah. H stacks by default all have an empty top, I guess? That's kind of annoying. What if I just make this a flex instead? Oh, it's not imported. It still has it. What if I just make this a box with display flex? I think that's in line now. Oh no, it's not. Oh, wait, hold on. This still has it. Oh, is it from the container? I think it is. Alright, we'll get to the bottom of this. I think, let me just undo this and make that an H stack again, because I don't want to go through the hassle of re-switching all of those. But I think if I go out of this one to this stack has a PT. Oh no, that's not this. I think all of these do have this empty top on them. And maybe we just apply it to this. So what is this? 0.5 margin top. Yeah, okay, interesting. And that stack doesn't have it. This one. What value is that? 1? That's, oh, to be 2. Point 5. Okay. Well, it's in line now. Let's fix this size thing. So with my responsive efforts, it looks like the stack has shrunk considerably. We just need to give it full width. So this is the one that's wrapping the aspect ratio. That's this V-stack, I think. Because I made it height. Okay. There we go. Back to normal. The gap is still a bit weird, but I don't think there's really anything we need to do about that. Oh. Oh, that's the padding, I think, that's doing that. No, it's not. It's something else. Oh, it's the video? Ah. Interesting. I didn't think it was still on. I mean, it's only visibility hidden, so it's technically still in the flow. But I think I need this to be those width and height for the thumbnail, but let me experiment actually. Maybe if I make the video like not any size, the video will still be okay. We'll find out. It is. Okay. Good to know. So that might have already fixed that then. Yeah, it has. Nice. Let me see. I think I will leave that at the bottom. The placement of that. I'm gonna just separate this slightly. I do already have a thing on this, a margin top, but I'm gonna bring it down ever so slightly.
Hey, wake up.
On this H stack. Disto, hello. How are you doing? Welcome in. Oh, here we go. Make this 4. Oh, sorry. That's a different thing. I need Where is it? Oh, here we go. ET4. Just to bring it away from the title slightly. Hello, hello. You know what? Actually, I think these should go up in the corner and the title should be under them because it kind of looks weird that they're not. So I'm going to swap that up. We'll move this above it and then I'll put a PTB instead. There we go. I don't know if I like... Oh, that should be fine, actually. Bruh, did my... What just happened to my stream? Is Twitch okay? I think Twitch is slightly drunk right now. Hold on, let me refresh. Okay. My thingy disappeared. Like all of my stuff at the top. That was weird. Now I have 2 chats. I'm just gonna pop that out again. The left icon is not aligned with the edge of the image below. Yeah, I think you're right. I don't know what width I have set on this. Or is it? It's just not inside this button. I think it's padding on the button. Is it? I can't tell. It might be this. I don't know if there's a way. Oh, I guess I could try and force it. I don't think that's going to work because that's an actual thing. No, it's not padding. It's an actual width. What did I... Hold on. I don't remember what I used. Oh, icon button. Here we go. Variant link. What is the other one? I think it's Ghost. Is it Ghost? Hold on. I need to work out which one I'm actually using. Let's go with the one above. So that would be on this stack. This is the sticky note for information. So if I make this Ghost. That's outline. Oh, I see. There is the outline there. If I made this solid, then you could actually see the button. What is the difference between Ghost and Link? I can't tell. Oh, Ghost, you can see the hover when you hover over it, and Link, you can't, I don't think. Yeah. Okay. I guess we do want Link. But I don't know if there's a way that I can make it not have that thing around the side. Wait, what did I just edit? Oh, this one. Link. Try width 0. I don't think that worked. That did not work. Ah, completionist. Hello. Thank you so much for the raid. Super kind of you. How are you doing? You're playing Danganronpa? Wait, is that the one with the... I don't... For some reason... Oh, I think I'm thinking of a different game. Because I can only think of the one where you're like collecting stuff in like a ball, but I think that's something else. Let me give you a shout out. Thank you for that. How was your stream? Using our thingy that we haven't released yet. we got round to it.
You crafted a hammer and did the new present at the perfect time. Yeah, that timing was perfect. If I remember correctly, I mean, you could have. I should have clipped
Wait,
that.
this game
Actually,
looks
I
familiar.
forgot
Is
clipping it,
this?
yeah. I could actually split this house into two, and I think I will.
I should
actually.
definitely add like a way to
I'll-
tell what
I'll-
game it
would you
is
like
because that
getting
looks
out
very
here?
familiar. What game is that?
Would you like a lollipop? Okay.
My clips are cringe. Oh, it's Terraria. Yes, I do remember playing a bit of Terraria. And no, you're fine. Don't worry. I have like a subset of the same kind of clips that I don't want to have appear, but I keep them around for like memory's sake because I have some clips that go all the way back to like 2018 or 19 or whatever, and like I did some of my first streams. No, even before that, I think I have clips from 2017. So I've whittled them down as much as I can, but I don't want to delete some of them. We all have them. You're good. Yeah, I do remember playing a bit of Terraria, but I never really got that far because I don't know. I think I was kind of on a Minecraft kick at the time, and so that was kind of more my speed. But I think you can do a lot of crazy stuff in Terraria, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, I'm doing well. I hope you're doing well as well. Let me check this other side. Oh, okay. Wait, what if we align the buttons accordingly? So I could do display, flex, justify content, flex end, and then that should shove it all the way to the side like that. And I think I can do the same on this. Display, flex, justify content, start.
Hey, listen.
Wait, did that do it? I think it did. Oh, I didn't actually really move it, but I can put it in anyway. Swish! Hello. How are you doing? Your stream is clean, looks wise. I love the chat, especially. Thank you. I appreciate that. That was like one of the very first like big stream things that we worked on. I kind of ended up rebuilding it later on my own, but it kind of mostly looks the same. Good, making some dinner. Nice. What do you have planned, if you don't mind sharing? What is Meta getting treated to today? Man, Meta is so lucky. But I'm doing well, thank you. Yeah. Working on Pixeldle, which is like a thing for Mr. Pixely. He plays a lot of doll games like Wordle, and so I made one that gets is like he has to try and guess what his clip is. And yeah. So now he has a doll game of his own stream. It's kind of hilarious. Spaghetti, meat sauce. Oh my god, I love spaghetti so much. And garlic breads. That sounds delicious. Well, I hope you both enjoy. Oh, and Flip as well, of course. Oh, yeah, I'm displaying both. I was like, wait, why did the second subset? Oh. Actually, this might not work as I thought. Hold on, we're gonna find out. Display, flex, justify content, flex end. Like that. Oh yeah, we're fine. We're fine. Everything's good. Flex start. There we go. And then this one, I think I can do the same thing when we're like spread out like this. Yeah, okay. So icon button. This will need to be flex. And this will need to be flex start. And then this will need to be flex. And then flex end. Ta-da! Now it should be aligned. Nice. Okay. I don't know if I should wait. Oh, the start button's there because this is. Ah. Actually, that does make sense because if I put the button up here, it would be kind of weird when you press start and it jumps to the bottom. So we'll leave the start button down there. What else do we need to do? Oh, so this was the original plan for this game. What I was going to do was have different frames from the video, and then I would give you a 100 score bonus, and you could deduct 10 points every time you get a new clue. And then also you could depixelate it, which would also minus. So you would start off at 100 and then you also get 5 guesses. But then I think this ended up being like, I feel like this was way too complicated for this system. So I ended up making it way simpler, which is just you get the thumbnail and then every wrong guess you depixelate it. Totes, hello. How are you doing? The icons should be more muted. They take away much of the attention. Do you think? Oh, the icons. Sorry, I thought you meant the buttons. I was like, that's not. I mean, pink. It's not like that big. Okay, but yeah, I see what you mean. We can make them slightly more opaque. Oh, transparent. Or I can just change the color. Where is the color? And well, have you been? I've been good, thank you. Yeah. Just chugging along, I guess. We can't see the lower half anyway. You're facing the way. Oh, oops. I forgot about that. Maybe I should move my camera up into the corner. Other corner. I feel like I do a lot down here. I guess I don't really have too much going on in this corner, so I could do that. Let me... You know what? I'll duplicate this scene. Here we go. And then that way I have a backup of the original. In case I want my camera in that corner. Let me flip. And go up here. Don't snap. Right. I don't think the chat really gets high enough for this to like touch the box, so fine. I think I actually did used to have my camera in that corner and then I moved it or something. I don't remember what it was. Okay. GG's. What was that? Oh, I was trying to make these slightly. Okay. If I do color white alpha 300. Oh, sorry, this needs to be a string. Oopsie. Or maybe like 600. 500. Maybe 500, and then when you hover, it gets full white. Oh, that's way too white. Maybe like 700. Or 600. Actually, 700 was a good. There you go. Sure, we'll just copy it. This is the same. Is this exact same? Because if so, I think it is. I think I should just make these. Oh no, the display is different. I mean, other than that, I'll just leave it. Don't really need to optimize every single thing. Probably gets easier to see at smaller resolutions. Like, I feel like this is kind of difficult, but then at this you can kind of tell that's Cult of the Lamb, which is kind of interesting because that might be able to help you, but you still don't know what the clip title is. So orcs. Is that a brand new pixelated image all the time, or do you just apply a filter on top? It's a new image. The canvas just updates. It just redraws the image. I don't know if there's a filter for pixelated stuff. I just did it through Canvas because, yeah, you just can turn off the what do you call it? The like image render, the smooth image rendering, and it just makes it all choppy. I was looking at libraries at first, but there's one library that I tried using and it is very outdated. Well, it's not outdated, but it can't really handle. Actually, no, that's a lie. I think it works. It was just chewing up my browser memory for some reason, and also it didn't handle cores very well. And like some of the stuff that I was pulling from Twitch was having a hard time. So this was the compromise that I found. All right, now we need to do this view. Oh dear. All right, this should be fairly easy because it's kind of already responsive. Something is, oh, it's the images. Okay. When we get to this view, we'll just put the image on top and put the text below, I think. So we'll just hide this image and we'll just make this a flex. I think that's the safe bet. This is in the done state, so this will be on the bottom. State success. So image, this is correct. This is better luck next time. This is going to be hidden at normally, otherwise block. Okay. And then this is an H stack until it's not. So actually we'll make this a normal stack. And then we'll do flex direction, base, column, medium, row. Oh god, we need to apply a max width to that, which is going to be this size. Which I think is... Oh, why are these not the same size? Okay, we need to make those both 112. This underneath. And then also justify content. Align item, sorry. What is that gap? I think that might be from the heading. Oh, no, it's not. But there is... Oh, leave that on there. Oh, it's the 8. Okay. Let's do 8 or 4. Oh, sorry, 8 or 4. 2. I think we just need to stack these on top of each other and then we should be okay. Seth, welcome back. How are you? Look at Pixeldle's face. He's so mortified. Okay. So we have the creator's name and the clip by, and then the date and when it was clipped. And right now these are both H stacks, which is fine. But we also need this to be a V stack so right now they're one long thingy. Then we can stack them on top of each other. I like your cut, G. Thanks. And your hoodie. Thank you. Yeah, I've had this for ages. It's comfortable. It's nice. And it's blue. I like, actually, your favorite color is blue, so that's funny. TJW Dev, hello, welcome in. How are you doing? React Native Web, just normal React. Nothing fancy. The stacks is Chakra UI, which is just like it's a Tailwind inspired framework for stuff. I quite like it. It's pretty extensible, not very opinionated, so it's pretty easy to do custom styling and stuff. Stealing it. Nice. Come and get it. Was having a React Native flashbacks. That's funny. I have actually been meaning to dive into a bit of React Native because I have not really looked at it at all, but I'm very curious because obviously, once you know React, then like you can make mobile apps basically. So yeah, I want to sit down and maybe we'll do that on stream. That could be a fun like exploration thing to just see like what is all entailed. So the base that I want is column because on mobile we want them to stack on top of each other, and then at medium breakpoints we switch to row. So there you go. And then I can just do, oh, I'll have to actually change this because we want them to be centered. Or do we? Actually, it doesn't matter because if I make these full width, oh, actually, because I was thinking we would separate these out, but that might actually be a bit weird. So maybe we'll just center it. Actually, that'll be fine. Center, space between. Oh, wait, why is that not? Oh, do these need to be full width as well? Wait, these aren't full width. Oh, these are full width already. Oh. Maybe I can just text align them. Nope, never mind. I have to actually apply that to this. Okay. Justify content center. And then that means that I can get rid of this. And just switch this back to space between. Here we go. I wonder if I should put the clip page button in between the two texts. Because it kind of feels like it would go there. No, actually we won't bother because there might be longer usernames and I kind of don't want it to be all squished. So we'll just leave it below. Okay, let's do the success page real quick, and then we should be able to start working on saving the scoring to local storage. I'm a big fan of Wrigler. I'm a big of a Wrigler. Helen spelled the clip name wrong. It's so annoying. I'm gonna tell Helen to correct that when she comes back in. If I see her. Okay. Also, I wonder if I should save these locally so that we don't get the... Technically, I've just put the URL from Twitch, which is why there's like a bit of a flash when they're loading. But if I save these to the project and I import them as images, and I don't think... Well, it'll be less time loading because the image will already be there. So maybe we'll do that instead. Okay, we just need to sort this out. So that is this. Okay, this one's slightly trickier because there are technically two images, and I guess I would want to keep them both unless I cut one, but I mean they're different images, so I have an idea, which is we convert this to a stack. And we do the same thing with this. Oh, actually, no, that's not going to work. I was thinking I could, if this is a flex, I can just use order to make it so that these two go above each other. But then it's still going to be a column, so I'm not going to be able to make this into a row. Should make it fail automatically if someone opens DevTools or right clicks. Wait, can you right click? I guess technically you can see what the video is, but you still don't know what the clip name is. I mean, I don't think people in the thing are gonna do that. I mean, technically, with the original Wordle, all of the what do you call it? The guesses were just in the JavaScript, so it was pretty easy to find that. But like, you don't really gain anything from cheating because it's not like multiplayer or anything, right? If you were going up against other people, then maybe yes, that matters. But I mean, technically, for all intents and purposes, we're going to be saving the scores into local storage. So like anyone would just be able to edit their score anyway. There's literally like no point to it. So I'm not too concerned. It's fine. I wonder if with the interesting. Okay, I guess we just have to do conditional elements because I don't really know how else we'd do this. So whatever, it's fine. We'll just copy this image and then we'll make a or actually, you know what? It's fine. I think we'll just leave it as one thing. I'm not too concerned about how it looks if you choose to play this on mobile for some reason. Is that a full text search? Or do you need to search in order? Like, can you search for regular? Yes, it just doesn't includes. So if the text includes it, so it can be anywhere within that text. But I am thinking maybe we should be able to search for I'm. Like we just strip out all of the punctuation. In case you want to search like that way. Just to make it slightly easier. I mean, that's like a tiny thing that probably won't make a difference to too many of the searches. But maybe we'll add it anyway for the sake of it. Where is the list? Oh, here we are. I technically did all of these, so I can cross those out. Remove punctuation from search. We did add the completionist. Thank you for the quack. Very kind of you. It's funny because it kind of looks like I called it Pixeldle because of the pixels, whereas, well, I should have called it like Clipdle if I was going to make it for other people, but I called it Pixeldle because the streamer's name is Mr. Pixely, so that is why. Oh, and the clips change at midnight. So, well, yeah. I had a very weird edge case. Oh, I don't know if we should bother with that. There was a weird edge case where I was doing it on stream the other day, and it turned exactly midnight, and the thumbnail changed as I clicked skip. So it was like one thing, and then it turned into a different clip, which is I guess it kind of is working. I didn't check if the answer itself changed, but I would assume so, because this is a hook, so this is going to update when we click the button. So okay, let's do the scoring. Do we have time? We have about an hour and a half, so I guess we do have time. What is the thing? Okay. Let me think. What I'll do is I will run an ad, because I'm trying to get better at like trying to be conscious of when ads start running. This is kind of a good break before we start working on the next feature, which is going to be saving scores to local storage and then reloading them. So for example, if I guess what the title is correctly, then when I refresh, it should load this state again, and then maybe we'll add something like next clip is in an hour and a half, or whenever it turns midnight. So that is what that will do. And then obviously if you get it wrong, you'll get back to the you didn't get it screen. Yeah, so we'll save that state. We also need to make like a little chart thing. So it says you got it in 4 guesses. So that would mean like on the original, or on the like actual Wordle game, you have like a chart of how many times you guessed in either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6 guesses. I don't know if we'll bother making something like that, but maybe it's a good idea to keep count anyway. So yeah, we'll do that. But otherwise, I'm gonna probably make another cup of tea and get a snack while the ad is running. So let me just go do that. did just like over the weekend. I did it a bit Friday night and then finished it off like Sunday afternoon. So I already have the full list of all of Mr. Pixeldle's clips, and it just has like, so I can like get all the clip titles from that. The streamer decides which clips will be taken. It's a randomly shuffled list. So basically, Mr. Pixely, who is the lovely streamer that you can see right here, he plays a lot of duel games, I guess you call them, which is like Wordle, you know, Hurdle, Synodle, Worldle, Framedle. There's so many of them, like. There's a Biddle one now, I think, where you have to try and guess the person's beard. And you can reveal more of the thingy. But yeah, so he plays a lot of those on stream. He has like a full list that he does, and I thought it would be funny if I made one of his stream, because then he can add to the list of things to do. So yeah. That's basically the story behind that. I don't know who this is, by the way. Oh, wait, this kind of looks like Guy Fieri? Is there a... I don't know how to spell his name. I'm probably wrong. Oh, that is... Oh, it's wrong. I literally have no idea who this is. Yeah, I don't know who that is. Andre Agassi? I feel like I need to look him up. American world #1 tennis player. Oh. I don't really keep up with American tennis, so I guess that would be why I don't know who they are. Okay, I think we're ready to start the score saving. So basically what we need to do is keep track of the internal guess state and then the total. Do we need a total? Or do we just need to keep track of the previous guess? I don't actually know how the scoring works. I guess you just need to keep track of the previous day, and then like how many the chart list. So maybe let's do a what do you call it? Forgot. Oh, a types. Let's type to like make this easier. Let's just do an index for now. So we have export type score. I don't know what this would look like. I think I just need a week. Not a week, like a thing for... Hey, I have a better idea. Let's just do a JSON of what we think the thing would be. I have a chocolate bar that I also bought because I'm pretty hungry. Not like hungry, but energy hungry. Okay. I'm thinking the score will be an array of 6 digits, 6 like numbers, and then these represent the number of guesses. So 1 guess, 2 guess, 3 guess, 4, 5, 6. So for example, if you finish a Wordle with only a Pixeldle in 1 guess, then this would be 1. And then this would be 2, otherwise, like, you know, blah, blah, blah. So that could be the score. And then we need guesses for today. So guesses. And then this would be an array of guesses. So then we need a guess, which would be like, skipped, or so the way I'm doing it right now is the guess is a guess type, which is a title, so the guess that you made, and then the state of that guess, which is either that you skipped, that it was wrong, or a success. So maybe we just use that. I don't think there's a need to make it any more complicated than that. So for example, if you make 2 guesses that were skips, if you skipped, these would be your 3 skips. And then say you got it in 1 go on the last one, that would be the success. I think that's it. And then basically we need a date. We need to keep track of the dates. So updated at, and then this would be whenever you last played. And that way, whenever we have a new date, whenever we have a new, when it ticks over midnight and it's a new clip, then, or maybe we just track the clip ID. Or maybe we do it by date. I don't know yet. Maybe we do both. Okay, this is how I'm envisioning our save state. Okay, that's what we're going to call it. We'll call it save states. Or we'll call it... Yeah, we'll call it save state. I might change that. We'll see. So this is going to be... an array of numbers. Six numbers to be precise. The guesses is going to be a guess. We'll export that because then we can import it over here. Where is it being used? Here. And then we can also use guess here. So this will be guess. And then updated at, we're going to make a string and clip ID. I believe clip IDs are strings. Let me just double check that. Yeah, the strings. Okay, so now we just need to apply those states. Sorry, those types. Actually, I'm gonna call this save data. Now, let's make a... How should we do this? Let's make a hooks for this. We'll call it save. And we'll do const or export const use save data. And this is basically going to be this hook that writes and reads to local storage, I think. So let's first make our local storage thing. Oh my gosh, it's tricky. Actually, no, it's not. It's, or is it? I don't know. Local storage. This is basically, so all Wordle games don't require you to log in, which is good because like that would just be tedious. But they do, so they save data locally, which is why if you play in like incognito, it doesn't save your thingy, like your data. So get will do local storage, get key, and we're going to make key a constant as well. We'll just say save data. Oh, and this, oh, we need to import our types now, so. Actually, no, this is a string. This is going to get this back as a string. Okay. Const. Data. Get key. Return data, or JSON pass data as save data. Why is this not? Oh, this is, oh my gosh. It's, I can't call this local storage. I need to call it something else because I'm overwriting the actual local storage thing. Let's call this, just call this store. And then this will be local storage. Here we go. So this is going to return our save data, and then we also need a way to save. So we're going to say set. And then this is going to take in our data, type save data, and we are going to go and local storage set item. Oh, this is supposed to be get item, right? Yeah, also. Okay, this might be tricky because if it's null, then okay, so if you load up Pixeldle for the first time and you don't have a save, then what are you meant to do, right? Maybe we just return a blank save data? Yeah, we actually do need to do that. So we'll do initial save, which is of type save data. And then, so for example, the score is going to just be blank zeros because you don't have any score yet. Guesses is going to be empty. Updated at is going to be the day. Helen, hello, how are you doing? You're an absolute lad. That's all. Thank you. I appreciate that. I have a small bone to pick with you. I'm afraid. Wait, can I do this? Okay. This is only valid for the next hour because the clip is going to change at midnight. But today's clip for Pixeldle has a typo. So I don't think anyone would have got it. And it's your clip. I'm a big of a wriggler. I don't know if that's... I haven't actually watched the clip, so I don't know if that's what he actually said. Or if it is, then I apologize. You're good. I just thought that was a bit funny. It would be really difficult to get the clip. Like, today's clip is actually really difficult because, like, you can't really infer any of that from just the thumbnail alone, so... Deleting it right now. Well, I mean, you could just rename it. If you delete... I guess if you delete the clip, then the video... That's actually interesting. I kind of would have to account for people deleting clips, because then the thumbnail wouldn't load anymore. Yeah, it's funny. It's the problem with all clips. True. I basically have a copy of all of like the clip data, so that I don't need to like make a request every time. Because yeah, I kind of just made this as a meme for good old Pixeldle. So I didn't want to put too much effort into like having to handle all of that. But I do want to at least add saving, so that's what we're working on right now. Happy to be a guinea pig here. Well, I guess I could just rename the clip inside the JSON directly. Yeah, and then that would actually be fixed. But then obviously the clip would... Oh, you already did delete the clip. Okay, I guess now it's not going to do it. Oh. I think the clip is deleted, but you can still access the video.
To be fair, right, in real life, oh, here we go there.
Because Twitch doesn't actually delete the clip, even if you delete it from the page. Interesting. I think it was during the 24 hours, so it was sleep deprived and drunk. That's fair. That's very fair. Yeah, I could... Hold on. So there was the first day, Beat Me Daddy. Then yesterday was Sniper v Tank. Oh, then there was Not Like This. There you go. There's this one. I've already renamed that. Then, technically, no one has to know that that was misspelled, because it says that. Hey, look at that. The clip's not there, so no one knows. Keck W. Get hacked. If Twitch does not delete the clip after you hit delete, where are the clips saved? Then, I guess they're still on. They're just on the Twitch server. They just don't. Maybe they delete them after like a period of time, or maybe they don't delete them ever. I think this was the issue that was going on with the copyright thing, because people were deleting their clips, but the content still existed on the server, so they were still getting hit with copyright strikes anyway. So like deleting your clip didn't guarantee that. Because I remember there was a thing where everyone was like deleting their clips because they were like, oh, I could get a copyright strike from this, but then people were still getting copyright strikes from deleted clips because the clips themselves that like Sony or whatever were analyzing from the servers or something. So that's rough. I don't know if the clips do get purged after a while or not. Need to ask you about some code things. Is Triggerfire out yet? I mean, yes and no. It's probably gonna be my answer to every time you ask. It's Schrodinger's Triggerfire. It's out and not out at the same time. Simultaneously. In all states. Alright, I'm gonna cheat a bit and take a quick look at how Wordle saves their thing, because I'm curious. I've just been using Wordle as a thing because you don't know. Spoilers, by the way, if you have not done today's Wordle. Local storage. Okay. Oh, interesting. So they save data as user stats, has finished, has started, an ID, an image. I don't know what the image would be for. A guest list. Okay, so we actually do need to guess to see what that would be. Let's clear this and try this again. Oh. I didn't even look at the thing. That's Charlie thingy, isn't it? I don't actually want to guess because I want to get it wrong. Yeah. Guest list. Answer, raise your glass. Is correct, is skipped, is artist. Play count. Interesting. I want a channel point redeem called Moisturize Me, where a gif of Cassandra. Oh my god, I remember her. The piece of skin stretched out on the canvas. That, I mean, technically you can do that with Triggerfire at the moment. So you can. I actually remember so when I was much younger, I got a sonic screwdriver from Argos, and I feel like no, Cassandra wasn't in that. I do remember seeing like a model of Cassandra as like a toy, but I don't think I got that. But I don't remember if there was like a thing with the sonic screwdriver where you could like, because it came with like a wallet, and then you could like write something on in invisible ink. But now I'm thinking, was there a thing with Cassandra where you could like write on Cassandra? But I don't think so, because that would be plastic. A flap of skin toy. I mean, that's what I'm thinking. Like, you could write on the skin and then like use the sonic screwdriver, because it came with like a UV light thing, so you could like see what you wrote in invisible ink. I'm pretty sure my like invisible ink thing dried up like straight away, so that was kind of annoying, but yeah. Okay, let me get this correct. Nice. And then see how it stores that. So there's a guest list. There's two objects now. It says this is what the answer is, and then it says is correct. Ah. What is the point of is artist? Wait, so I wonder if you guess the artist but you don't guess the correct song, if it shows you something. Charlie. So if I do a different song by the same artist. Oh, it tells you. Ah, I didn't know that. Okay. So it's like a close. Interesting. I wonder if there's like an in-between that you could do with Pixeldle. Probably not, because... What if... Oh my god, what if the clip that you guess, if it's the same game, then you get a maybe, like a medium. Because then you know that you're at least guessing clips from the right game. Well, category, because it could be like just chatting or something. Oh, that's actually a really interesting idea. Does it tell you? I guess it doesn't really need to tell you. Because it's only is artist. Because it could be multiple types of ways that you could do it. Like, it could be clips from the same day. Because you might have changed games. Okay. I'm gonna make a note of that. And then maybe we'll make that happen. What's the word for that? It's not get, it's not incorrect. Oh, well, it is incorrect. Semi? Close? Oh, close. Yes. Guess. Title. Clip. Guess was from the same game. That could be misleading, actually, because if you play the same game multiple times, they could be from different days, like different streams, so maybe that doesn't actually work. We have to think a bit more about that, but that's okay. Okay, so I think we're pretty much on the same idea. Like, we don't need an is skipped because our state is if it's correct or false. Like, they've put two, so here they've put two Boolean keys for whether it's correct or whether it's skipped, but we're doing the smart thing. Well, I don't know if it's smart actually, because maybe they did this a certain way on purpose, but we have a single key for that, which is whether or not or what it is. So it could either be the skip or wrong, or it could be is correct. Oh, yeah. Okay. This is our blank save, so we're gonna do new date to ISO string, and then we need clip ID. I don't know if we need clip ID actually. Maybe. I'm gonna go to sleep very soon, but you're very impressive. Good night. Cullen, thank you for coming in and saying all those nice words. That's very kind of you. Have a good sleep. It is pretty late, so 100% understand. Have a good rest, and I will catch you soon. I'll probably be heading off at midnight as well. I have an early day tomorrow. Yes, have a good night. I got to head out too. No worries, completionist. Thank you for the raid earlier. That was much appreciated. Have to get ready to go to work. Oh my god, you work so late. I think you're based in the UK. I could be completely wrong. You sounded like you had a British accent. I'm gonna throw you back a follow actually, because yes, I'm gonna check out your streams. Oh, you're based in Asia? Okay, never mind. Then you're probably, yeah, you're probably like 8-9 hours ahead. Oh, okay, maybe not that far ahead. But you stream at 4? Damn. Oh, no. Yeah, you are that far ahead. You were streaming at 4, and then you probably streamed for like 3 or 4 hours, and now it's like 8 or 9. Gotcha. I'm picking up what you are laying down now. But yes, have a good day at work, and I will catch you soon. That's a crazy time to stream, by the way. 4 AM. I sometimes don't get to sleep until 4 AM. Oh, that's funny. Get. Okay, this is gonna return save data. If data is null, then return initial save. Here we go. I'm the Uno reverser people. They sleep late and I wake up early. Yes. I mean, in my defense, I'm definitely more of a night owl than I am a morning person, but I have been a bit of a morning person before and I do enjoy it. So I kind of wish I could be both, but then obviously I would be tired all the time. So yes, have a good day at work and I will catch you soon. Okay, so we're gonna set item, and then the value is gonna be JSON stringify data. Ta-da! I'm actually going to not return anything. Just return that. There we go. Nice. Okay, so now we have our store, which is basically just a way to save and retrieve data. All we need to do is... oh, you know what? Oh, wait. Oh, actually, no, we're good. We're fine. Are we fine? I don't think we actually need the date. Let me get rid of that, actually. Alright. I think we just need the clip ID. Because these are technically related, because we get the clip ID from the date, so... so use save data is going to be our custom hook, and this is basically going to... when we load, we're going to load the clip data, so... we're going to return save data, which is of type save data. We're going to do store get. And then we're going to return save data. Why is this? Oh, hold on. Not a function. That's why. There we go. Oh, I can't actually call it save data because what if I want to call that the function? This is awkward. Like, what I call oh, maybe I call it user data? Or just data? And then I call save data the function for saving. So this would just take the save data and store it, I think. Can't call it data. Hold on. What do we call this? Actually, I can call it data because it's just a parameter. Store set data. Save data. I think that's it. Honestly, I don't think there's anything else I need to do.
If you guys want more, no worries. We got it. Our album Mosaic Chapter 1 will be released this coming Friday.
Did the thing just pause? Hold on. Oh, no, actually, it just full on ended. Has it been an hour? No, oh my gosh. I didn't even know. Alright, this one should last us. Alright, now let's do use save data, and then we should be able to get the thing. So if I go to here, const equals use save data, which we're importing. Oh, let me do a barrel export. So index export everything from hello. Don't know why the music was playing right there. Clip, and then export everything from save. Now, up here, where we do the importing of our things, should be able to just go use daily clip, use save data from hooks. Ta-da! Looks a bit neater, that's all. I'm gonna move the React import all the way to the top. Okay. Good, good. Let's get our save data. So this is data. This is the tricky bit. So when we load the data, like for example, let me do a use effect and then you'll see what I mean. Console log data. So when the page loads, this is what we get. This. So you see we have score. Clip ID is empty. Oh, hold on. Missing a key. I'm sorry, React gods. Don't strike me down, please. There we go. So look at that. We have guesses, none. Score, empty. And because guesses is empty, we know that we haven't attempted today, right? Because, you know, it's empty. Wait, oh. Do hurdles save persistently? Hurdle app. If I guess this incorrectly, will it know? If I refresh? It does. Oh, so it even loads the previous state. I guess it prevents you from cheating unless you clear your browser cache. Or know how to edit your local storage. But it's like, what is the point of that? Because you're just cheating yourself. Let's be real. I guess we need to load that state as well. All right, let's do that. Oh. Okay, this is... Alright, we can do this, we can do this, we can do this, we can do this. So here's our page state. I think we need to infer the success state from our guesses instead of having a boolean. And what's done? What do we use that for? Okay, we need to also infer that from our guess state. Okay, and then... this is... So we need an internal ready state. I'm conflicted. Local state, save state. Okay, yes. I think I know what we need to do. We need to create a local state which holds our search and our ready. And we need to create a save state. Or should we just put everything in state data? I think I don't know. I don't know what the smart thing here to do is, because I don't want to create... I mean, that wouldn't be that complicated. Alright, let's get rid of this. And then we'll do data, which is going to be of type save data. And this is going to be, by default, initial data. Okay, so initial data actually needs to go. Outside. Initial save. And then we need to fix all of these errors. So state guesses length is going to be state data guesses length. I might just need to copy data. This might all have to change again. Okay, so done. Oh, this is tricky. Okay, done and success are tricky because success relies on the guesses. Wait, what if I make that a part of the hook? Oh, there's an idea. Seth, hello again. I think I'm getting... Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah. So I can do success, which is basically... I just need to... Oh, okay. Success. Done. So we need to just make variables for this. So I basically just need to search the initial guesses. Guesses. Thumb. Guess. Guess status equals success. So as long as one of the guesses is successful, then that means that we have a successful state. And then done is date guesses length is greater than or equal to 6, because that is the number of guesses. And then I can just return those, and then inside app, I should be able to just get that state from our hook. That is the amazing thing about hooks. Success and done. And now if I go back to done, I can do... Don't do that. This. Done. Success. Success. And then state, data guesses, data guesses. Hey, we got rid of all our errors. Okay. Let's see. Sorry, my dumbass keeps falling asleep. No, you're good. If you're sleepy, you should get some sleep. Get some rest. You are 100% fine. Go and sleep. Okay, I think it's loading our state correctly now. So what if I, we need to actually save. So every guess we need to save the, oh no, actually I need to set the data. Okay, so when we load the page, we need to, oh, we don't need to set done anymore. That should just be inferred. Oh no. Oh. Actually. Hold on. Get rid of all of this. We only need to set guesses. I kind of actually don't even want to set the ready state, but I guess I'm already doing it, so we'll just leave it for now. So when we load the data, what we need to do is load that into our current state. So use save data. I'm trying to think of how I need to do this. Okay, we're just going to load the current thing for now. So I'll just do set state. Guess data is data. And then whenever we make a guess or skip, we have to save data. I wonder if this is going to cause an infinite loop. I feel like this is going to cause an infinite loop. Oh, sorry. This needs to be set. State save. Oh no, I can make a different use effect for this. Okay, okay. So this is when the data initially loads. Or maybe can I do a callback on this? Maybe use save data. On load data, save data, void. Oh, hold on. This actually needs to be here. On load. And then on load can be if on load data. This is optional. Oh, actually the entire thing needs to be optional, doesn't it? How do I make the entire thing optional? Oh, maybe just like this. Oh, never mind. Oh, can I do a default? Well, I guess I need it, so onload d set state d. Get rid of the use effect. And then save data. So this will change when the state data changes. And then data will be, this will be save data state.data. Oh my gosh, this is going to work. No, because too many re-renders. Makes sense. Does this not only run once? Damn. Okay. Let's redo this and then get rid of the other thing. Oh, I didn't actually save this. Hold on. No, never mind. Okay. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Oh. Oh, no, that actually does need to be 6. Okay. And then get rid of that. And then we make this data. Oh, hold on. I need that back. Please. This. Now we go back to this. Okay, so that's the internal state. And I don't think this is going to work. We'll try it. Oh, not too many re-renders. Oh, no, we are getting it. Because it's stuck in an infinite loop of loading the data and then trying to save it again. So that's bad. But it's like, hey, I can see data. I need to... Oh, we're still getting it. This is the bad thing about a use effect. It's going to run every time the data... It thinks the data is different because... Oh. Have an idea. Let's do use effect data. If oh, maybe the initial data is null. That's the way to go. Save data or null. And then the initial data is null. So, for example... Oh, but now all of this is going to be null. Ooh, tricky. State ready and data. Oh, all of this is gonna be no. God damn. Okay, never mind. Abort. We will make that the initial save, but we know that clip is empty. So it's not going to be null. Look how many errors appear just from that. If state data clip ID equals empty, then return, not return, wait, I'm confused. Oh, if it doesn't equal empty, because it will already have been populated. Maybe I do need a last updated. I'm gonna do that. Updated at. Updated at. If the data updated at doesn't equal empty, then return. Otherwise, oh. My brain is kind of fried. I think I can solve this. I just need to think about what I'm trying to save, though. Oh, this will actually be data. Oh no, I need to check the current state. I think this is actually correct. So this should only run once. It did, okay. And then when state data changes, save. Okay, this is gonna start causing the re-render. No, it doesn't. Okay, good. Okay, that did not work. Because when data changes... Oh, this is tricky because it's very circular. So if I like try to save a state like this and it doesn't, so it's saying I'm making the guess and it's saving, I think. It should be in storage. Save data, there you go. Guesses is empty. Wait, why would it... Oh. I think technically this would be running. Console log. Data. Why does the submit not... Submit guess on submit guess set the state of... Oh, I'm not... that's why. I'm submitting dates. I need to submit data. Oh. Oh dear me. Okay. So maybe we move ready in that case. And we leave guesses. Okay, one sec. Let's move ready out into its own thing. And remove that from here, and then we just make the state, the save data. And then state.ready will just be ready. And the state will be guesses. I actually need to I need to make all state.data or s.data just s. And state.data will just be state. And ready will just be ready. Try that again. Oh no, hold on. Set states. Oh, dot clip. This actually needs to be set ready. Set ready true. Now we do the states. And then in storage, we have the guesses not being added. Okay. State. Submit guess. Guesses is like guess. That's correct. Ah, this is where we can re-add the saved state. If data guesses dot length is greater than 0, then set ready true. That didn't reload. Did that? Didn't save the guess. Okay, so the guess is there. State's wrong. But if I refresh, I think it's gonna overwrite it. Yeah, it overrode it. Is that because the initial state is... Okay, I can't do that. There's something missing. I think it's pretty easy, but I'm probably too tired to... It's saving the guess now, but it's not... It's not reapplying it. Oh, I know why. Because the save data is now just this. Okay, did that delete the thing? Oh, I guess it did. This was updated with the guess. Got them wrong. Oh, hold on. I think the updated app needs to be... saved, it needs to be here. Save data, dates, updated at new date to ISO string. Test. What? It should be, that should have been updated. Look, the updated string is there now. The guesses didn't stick. That's weird. Do I have this in reverse? I think I feel like I have this in reverse. Storage. Let me do this. I'm gonna get those errors. God dang it. Oh no, the updated at is already by default. Oh, okay, hold on. Okay. Let me reset. I wonder if it's this. Hold on. Console log data. Before it overwrites it, I'd be curious to know if it's actually getting it. Admit. Okay, got him wrong is in there. And then if I refresh, I do see it. LJ, what is up? Hello, this is, yes, technically TypeScript. But yeah, pretty much the same thing. How you doing though? I hope you're having a good evening. I'll be heading off in a bit because it's almost midnight. My brain is way too fried for this. I should not be working on this. Yeah. I really hoped that I could get this working so that it the data's there, so this should just be passing back the data to get, and then I think what's happening is that, oh, I didn't mean to close that. It's overwriting my local storage. Very cool. Same. Just wanted to check Twitch before, but yeah, I'm the same way. I usually pop into some streams and be like, just to say hello and then and head to sleep. So basically, to give you a quick rundown before you head to sleep, I made a meme website for Mr. Pixeldle, where, because he plays a lot of duel games, so this is a duel game, but of his Twitch clips. The clip is actually going to change in 3 minutes because it rolls over the next day, but it's basically all of his Twitch clips, and he has to try and work out what the clip title is. And then obviously if you skip, it goes to the next, like it depixelates a bit until it's actually really difficult because it's like the clip title, and some of the clip titles have no relation to the game. Well, some of them do, I guess. Like the just chatting ones normally do, but the game ones probably have no idea. You inspired me to try and do my own projects, but I'm a dogshit programmer. I mean, I think everyone has to start somewhere. So I literally got more into coding from making stuff on Twitch, and like going back and looking at my old VODs archive, like the way I used to program is like completely different to now. So it's kind of just a matter of time, really. And the more you do something, the better over time you get at it. Like, I'll think that I'm somewhat decent now, and then I'm sure in like a year's time, I'll be like, I can't believe I was coding like that. So, yeah, it is what it is. But yeah, so there's also like a autocomplete for his current clip title, so he doesn't actually have to know the clip title off by hand, which is probably good. So he's playing Cult of the Lamb in this one. Oh, this was actually Helen's clip. That's right. Okay, just ignore that. I haven't fixed that state. There's one extra thing. Helen deleted this clip because there was a typo, and I was just telling her, and then she went and deleted it. So, whoops. So basically what I was trying to work on just now was saving the thing to local storage. So that's like the browser's like way to save. That's how like the other Wordle games save, because you don't need to log in to like save your progress. It just saves locally. And yeah, I was just trying to save this. Oh, never mind. I was like, I refreshed, and then I think that actually worked, and then it overrode my save data again, so that's annoying. Alright, well, I'm closer than I was when I started the stream, so that's all that matters. Classic Helen getting rid of the evidence. Helen, you're supposed to be asleep. And so am I, actually. So I'm gonna put a pin in it there, and then let me see where I got up to. Alright. I'm just going to comment this out for now, so it doesn't do any of that. And then, oh, never mind. Please, on end like this. Oh, okay, yeah, do that. It at least gets the data, and then I don't need to worry about saving. Oh, we have a new clip. I forgot. It just rolled over midnight. Okay, can we guess what this clip is? It looks like a just chatting clip. I don't really know what Mr. Pixely's clips are, though. He kind of looks like he's wearing a cowboy hat. Are there any cowboy? I'm a cowboy. Never diss a man's cowboy Daisy. I'm just gonna full send I'm a cowboy. Oh my god, but he is wearing a cowboy hat, so that kind of, I feel cheated. Maybe he was playing Daisy. That's the really difficult thing about this. Like, and plus some of the clips don't even have proper titles, which is really annoying. Marble's Confession. I have no idea what this would be. Are you a dev normally? I am, yes. I kind of do this stuff like, not this exact stuff, but very close to it for work. So it's nice because I can, like, the stuff that I do at work kind of helps me learn stuff that I want to do for my streams, and then the stuff that I do on streams and like my own projects kind of helps me do stuff at work. So it's a nice cycle. Right. I'm just gonna, I feel cheated because he's wearing a cowboy hat, and it's literally, it's not I'm a cowboy. Like, what else would the clip be? I can't really even tell what's on the screen. Mutually beneficial, yeah. Oh no. Bruh. Oh god. It's not even gonna give me the thing because I changed too much of the... Alright, I'm just gonna cheat. This clip is... Jesus. What? Oh.
Oh, be careful there now, horsey. Oh, ooh.
I have no idea
Settle
how you
down
would
now.
be able to actually get that unless you knew all of Mr. Pixley's clips.
You know.
To be fair, he clipped this himself, so he probably knows what this clip is, but
That's gonna be
not
an
a,
emote. It's gonna be
it's
an
not
emote.
a very
You'll
easy
grab it, you're
game.
like,
I like that Mr. Pixley himself clipped that because obviously he used that for some piece of content that he made. Okay. Alright, I'm probably just gonna... Let me see who's still on. I think Meta's on. I haven't raided Meta in a while. He's playing Dead by Daylight. Oh, but also Jay. Oh, I haven't raided Jay in a while. Raid Jay. Jay plays okay. Jay plays okay. LJ, thank you for stopping in, saying hello. I appreciate it. Have a good night as well. It's Friday tomorrow. Exciting. I'm probably not going to be streaming until next Tuesday. I normally do a stream on the weekend, but I'm going to be living it up in London this weekend. So that should be fun. And yeah, it'd be good times. Helen, if you're still looking, have a good night as well. And I will catch you all soon. All right, take care, everyone. And yeah, I'll be back Tuesday probably. Bye. Wait, did Jay? Oh no, Jay just went offline.